Hey everyone, welcome back to Eduverse. Imagine a classroom where kids are excited to learn, laughing, and experimenting. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's backed by science and real world success. Today, we're exploring how embracing play can revolutionize our outdated education system. If you care about the future, stick around. This could change how you think about learning. Let's jump in. Our current education system, with its rows of desks and standardized tests, is the elephant in the room. This setup, designed in the 1800s, aimed to produce obedient factory workers. Prussian reformers and American leaders like Horace Mann copied this model for an industrial workforce. The goal was efficiency and rote memorization. But is that what we need today? Our world demands creativity and problem solving. Yet schools are stuck in this factory model. Kids passively absorb information, motivated only by external rewards like grades. No wonder there's an engagement crisis. Kids start school full of curiosity. But by high school, many are bored or anxious because this system kills intrinsic drive. It denies autonomy, judging competence by tests that punish mistakes instead of fostering growth. It's competition over collaboration. Have you ever wondered why so many adults hate learning new things? It's because school taught us it's a chore, and adults often dismiss play as trivial. But play isn't frivolous. It's foundational to how humans explore and build skills. A kid stacking blocks is doing physics. Teens in a video game are strategizing. Play isn't the opposite of learning, it's the best way to do it. Let's geek out on the science. Neuroscience shows play rewires the brain for better thinking. Unstructured play lights up areas for problem solving, creativity, and executive functions like planning. Rough and tumble play trains the prefrontal cortex for social cues and impulse control. Studies by researchers like Sergio Pellis prove play-deprived brains struggle with adaptability. Play taps into dopamine, the seeking chemical that fuels curiosity, fostering intrinsic motivation. That aha moment when kids discover something on their own floods the brain with rewards, making learning stick. Play creates a flow state, where immersion leads to deep focus and joy, making time fly. Psychologist Mihai Csikszentmihalyi noted flow is optimal for learning, and play builds real-world skills. Social negotiation in games builds teamwork. Risky play like climbing trees teaches resilience. Narrative play hones language and perspective. Play is evolution's hack for smart, resilient humans. Why aren't we using it more? How do we bring this into classrooms? It's about smart design, with play at the core. Start with gamification done right. Clear goals, immediate feedback, and safe failure. Imagine math class as a guild of mathematicians battling monster problems to unlock new concepts. This boosts engagement by giving choice, narrative, and collaboration, fostering autonomy and connection. Amp up project-based learning with playful inquiry, turning tasks like reducing waste into a zero-waste future quest. Embrace brainstorming, tinkering, and revising, even if it's messy. This sparks innovation through what-if questions, making learning student-led and fun. Teachers shift from lecturers to facilitators. You're the architect of discovery. Curate materials, observe, and scaffold with questions, not answers. Join the play, model curiosity, and trust kids to drive their learning in a safe space. Does this work? Absolutely. Montessori classrooms, where kids choose hands-on work, are a prime example. It's play disguised as education, fostering creativity. Reggio Emilia treats kids as researchers, sparking weeks of exploration from a bird's shadow. Modern schools like high-tech, high-tackle interdisciplinary projects with real audiences, demonstrating playful rigor. Even Sudbury Valley lets kids self-direct all day, fostering highly self-motivated graduates. Play isn't just for kids. Corporates use serious games for simulations and design thinking with Legos. Play works at every age, but challenges exist. Standardized tests measure rote learning, not creativity. We need better assessments, like portfolios, to test breakthroughs in learning. Equity is an issue. Play-based learning often benefits affluent schools first, while others drill skills. Teachers need training to shift mindsets, and parents face a paradox. Anxiety leads to overscheduling, killing the fun. Unstructured play at home, even boredom, sparks creativity. Parents, trust it. Our factory model schools stifle curiosity, but play reignites it. It builds brains, motivation, and skills for a changing world. We've seen the science, strategies, and successes. Now it's time for a playful revolution. What if we created schools where learning feels like adventure? We'd raise adaptable, joyful, lifelong learners. Parents, protect playtime. Educators, experiment boldly. Policymakers, redefine success beyond tests. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and comment. How has play sparked learning for you? Let's start the conversation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.